Asinibikelele ababukeli emakhaya bonke. Lo mphambi kwenu uBonkosi David wakwaMbuthuma odumile kakhulu sendaweni yakwaMache esigodini sakuNhlanza mawuya ngasemjika. Nale midlalo esinayo namhlanje la emzwabantu sikwi forestry tournament la sipromota khona i-well-being yabantu abasha, ukukhipha abantu abasha kuma drugs ezidakamizweni.
Bingelela igama lami uSakhile akaSincuba, abanye bangazo JD Joseph David akaSincuba. Mina ngi-business owner own i-company ebizwa uMsizaze Forestry. Yenza ama-services kwi-forestry, ukutshala nokuvikela umlilo, ukuvikela amahlathi. So kwenzekile ukuthi ngo-2022 uma sisebenza we approach one of our client ukuthi since sibekwe boundary with ama-communities sibona kunale issue engapheli futhi asiyazi ukuthi yenziwa yini yokuthi abantu bashisa amahlathi bantshontshe izinkuni zabo benza zonke izinto ezingavumelekanga ehlathini, yabona. So sase sicela ukuthi asibe ne-tournament ngoba kubukeka ngathi i-community relationship ayikho between the two, yabona. Umphakathi awazi ukuthi uye kubani mawudinga izinkuni nokuthi monezikhalo nazo, because if umuntu eshisa into yakho kunento akhala ngayo, memosha into yakho kunento akhala ngayo. So if bengekho willing akube ukuthi thina siyafuna ukuyofinyelela kubona ezingeni labo ukuthi okay ngenza ukuthi bayasaba noma ngenza kuba nezikhalo ezithile. So sabacela ke bavuma iclient yethu ukuthi okay singakwazi ukwenza le tournament. Sayiqala kumphakathi la khona imililo ekade khona nokuntshontsha kwezinkuni kukhona yabona.
My name is Bruce Davenil. I'm from Harding, a small little town here on the KwaZulu-Natal. We're here at Harding Sports Field. We are what's his name here? We are playing a tournament sponsored by the local forestry and farmers. It's a very good initiative, especially for all the young kids in the town. With all the drugs that is happening, we've brought 32 teams, soccer teams, male soccer teams together. We've got 10 ladies soccer teams. It's a very good initiative. We'd like to thank all the sponsors that have sponsored the tournament, and we really hope that it grows from strength to strength.
Ukuhlangana kwethu la inhloso yethu ukuthi asibone abantu abasha bez-engage ezintweni ezinhle nezingabuyisa ithemba emphakathini yethu esiyakhele emzwabantu. Kuyisifiso sethu ukuthi ngelinye ilanga lolu hlobo lalomqhudelwano silubone lusemazingeni aphezulu nasemazingeni akhulayo ngokuthola mhlambe abaxhasi ngoba izinto zonke zihamba ngokwe-financial.
So sabacela ke bavuma iclient yethu ukuthi okay singakwazi ukwenza le tournament. Sayiqala kumphakathi la khona imililo ekade khona nokuntshontsha kwezinkuni kukhona yabona. Ngoba thina it was purely about building relationship nokuthi futhi kube into eqhubekelayo engapheleli. So sifikile eHarding 2024 sayiletha 2025 liqale last year ukuthi izodlala la edolobheni. Yaba impumelelo khona. This year nje seyikuleli zinga ekulona sikwazile ukuthola ama-sponsor I think are more than 8.
Okay, the standard is it's okay. It's you know it's tough. You know especially when you get to the last 8 or last 8 semi-final and final, the teams get stronger and stronger. But we'd also like to encourage all the other smaller teams that that they must start planning and preparing for this tournament, so that we can raise the standard for this tournament. The standard we need to raise it a bit.
So inhloso yalento ukuthi everyone akathola ithuba aziwe imphakathi yala eHarding. So laba be-uniform basemarisburg, but I'm sure bayafisa nabo ukukhula. So mawubona la majezi agqoke umuntu la eHarding useyazi ukuthi khona uEsana, but eqaleni baziwa eHarding aziwa uMsizaze kuphela la, yabona. That manje ijezi sebeligqokile abantu bazokwazi, they can consult babuze ukuthi hayibo nathi sidinga ama-service wala bantu. So into le esi-inclusive eseyikhulile ngale ndlela ukuthi nathi besingakwazi ukuyenza njengoba ubona ubhuti obo-interviewer watshengisa ukubona amagepha ayekade khona samcela ukuthi akazosilekelela.
I'm confident in my boys, and we are the holders of the tournament. We won the inaugural tournament. Yeah, we won the tournament, so we're actually the holders of the tournament. So, yeah, we're ready. We're ready for the semi-final, and if all goes well, we hope to get to the final again and retain our cup.
Njengamanje isports singaphansi kwe-working environment kuyasetshenzwa kwisports. Ukutholakala kwetalente la njengoba ngeke ngasho ukuthi ukukhula kwe-tournament siyakufisa. Sifisa ukuthi ngelinye ilanga sibone ama-scout asuka kuma-team ahlukahlukene noma akhele i-KZN even abroad. Mhlambe nangaphandle kwayo i-KZN abantu nje abazokwazi ukuzobona amathalenta ukulekelela imiphakathi yethu. Siyazi ukuthi ukudlalwa manje isport siyamthatha umuntu simbeke kwenye indawo. Yiloko nje okusigqugquzela kakhulu nanokuthi indawo yethu yala emzwabantu siyibuka njengendawo esalele ezintweni zesports. Siyazama ukuthi ingane azibonakali i-exposure iphansi kakhulu since sisendaweni zasemakhaya. Yiloko nje okukhulu esikufisayo kakhulu.
So sekuyiyo isigaba la sesifinyelele khona ukuthi yes liba khona izambane elibolile emphakathini. Imilili sabakhona basakhona abantu ontshayo kodwa akusekho kulela zinga masiqala ekwakukulona futhi ubona balento iyabhebhetheka yeke. So ushintsho likhona njengobhuti lo oqhamuke EMC ungomunye wabantu esiba approachile baba willing ukusebenzisana nabo. Iyonto esifuna ukuthi akuyona yonke into esizoyazi nokwazi ukuthi ukuze uyenze lento ngempumelelo wenza kanjani. Bakhona abantu abawilling. Yabona sifuna abantu abatransparent abanenhliziyo abacabangela abanye abantu not bona. Ama sponsors esinawo la sino Farmers Association okuyiwona odlala iqhaza elikhulu kule tournament yethu nawo okuyisifiso sawo ukuthi njengoba sakhela amahlathi la kule ndawo kube khona ukuxhumana phakathi kwe-community nabo. So by engaging entweni ye-sports yila kutholakala khona abantu abahlala endaweni zasemakhaya. So thank you so much ku Harding Farmers Association ngokusiseka ngazo zonke isikhathi. Wona oyicornerstone yale tournament yethu ngaphandle kwawo kuba bukhulu ukuthi khona into esisuke singayiqala. Kodwa ukuba nale tournament ukuguqula umphakathi nendlela ebekwenzeka. I-tournament ekulezinga igcine kusekhona the late Ivan Slophe owala eHarding. Yagcina ngale yonke ukuba ne-tournament ekulezinga. So sifuna ukubuyisa into enjalo ugcine kufika ama-scout ama-team abantu abaqhamuka kuma-team aphezulu bake beze because 2024 we had a team Kaba Cup. Kaba Cup is one of the biggest tournament KZN. Sakwakwazi ukuphuma ne-squad from this tournament yaya khona. Sifuna ukuqhubeka lapho ke sibe nenqushu eminyakeni edlule ngokungabi nabantu abenele to sponsor tournament. Yabona. So this coming year even this year if kunama tournament akhona from this after this tournament kuzoba khona isquad esizoya.